is it.
Silky bee.
For Amazon. Yeah. Yeah.
My father get up on the motor.
Your father? Yeah. Hey, your father how much?
No,
Short him out, short him out.
pick up Starburst.
Yeah. That is it. Woo. You know, okay, brake, man. Hold it, man. Slow it down. So get a little bit too dark out there, so now. Don't try it, don't try it. But hot, you know. Now go in, you know. Eh? Me a change me can bus one. Aye! Dog run over me toe. Now buy just out there and then go down. Me a go up on the boulevard, go down so.
Yo! I told him.
What I do?
Go boulevard, sir. Go boulevard.
Good lord. Oh, good lord there. Bueno. Yeah. Hola, hola. Body of bad. Body of bad. Oh boy. Woo. Oh boy. Catch them, Kiefer. You want gas? You want gas? In the bag, in the start by it. Just a start, the one down so done. Oh. Oh, yes sir. Oh. Oh, man, never take it to yes sir yet, you know. Look, yo, I don't like you so tall, dog. Boom, boom. Yo, Lord fire. Touch the far out though. Why bet? Easy, dog, easy. Watch it, what? Tu dois filmer ma caméra, chata? Watch your road, take your time and go on. Take your time, go down. Come over, come over, come over. Woo! Pull it. Speed. I go and tour with them. Watch it. Hey, what that? The walking. Oh, man. Yo, it's tough. It's tough. It's tough, dog. Too mantap. Amat. Hot. Wallet yun. Yo, naman na doon sa wallet. Sweet. Wallet. Wallet. Yo. Belum mo na yun ka wallet ha. What you can? Done, we are done, Mandela. Yeah. Yeah. Oh no. Huh? Ooh, what that dog? Boom. Watch it. Gotcha! Woo! Careful, dia bongkok biasa. Oh, now I go straight through me I go. Straight through me I go. Alright, yo. Mad in a yard. Yo. Copy. Now little more. Catch a video later, me I send it to you. Yeah man, pull it off dog. That is it from. Eh? Yeah dog. That no man, me know what in there, but you don't know. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Hot daddy. Me not rambling. No people. Hope you enjoy that one. It's a little bit of fun riding mixed with a little bit of, you know, sketchy type of riding, because we're riding with wind amongst cars and them thing there. So just want them and them know say yo, when them do them thing, practice safe riding and everything, you see me? Yeah. Nah, so you can't do nothing but do nothing safely, you understand? So don't ride that up. So, yo, all of the man them just big up on themselves. They will all do tough dog. Cause we can't do something you want to see who not do. No matter if you man they just learn how. Man they tough.